This one's gonna be a little bit harder. It's almost like a straight line weave. We have to go all the way to the outside cones, straight line weave it, all the way around, straight line weave it, and then exit out. Here we go. So familiarize ourselves with this one. So it's all the way around all the cones right now. And then I'm gonna take this one a little wide. Okay, straight line weave, turn our head as best we can, and then we're going all the way around. And then same thing, straight line weave, so nice 360 turn basically. Familiarize ourselves with it, and then exit out. This one you're gonna have to take a little bit slower, 31 seconds, a little bit slower, but maybe we can improve that speed. Okay, so all the way around, straight line weave, all the way around, straight line weave, and then exit out. Should be pretty simple now. So all the way around, take this one like that. Straight line weave. If you feel like you're gonna fall in, that means you don't have enough counterbalance. If you're gonna put your foot down, counterbalance a little bit more. Put a little bit more weight on that outside peg. And then we're gonna go ahead and exit out as best we can. 26.9. Much better this time. Cut out about 4 seconds. Pretty good. We're gonna jump into the triple threat right now.